Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I don't know, it's a boy Rush here.
And you're Nikki there right here, so.
Alright, so today we're gonna try out something new, something we never do before. It's in there. Well, we're gonna break up virginity, you see it?
You're gonna break your virginity, not me.
Yo. Alright, so whenever pass Starbucks and to keep on and nag me and I see how she
want. Yeah, I want to try it because maybe I see people that say, oh, Starbucks nice and them coffee nice and them something nice. So I'm going to try it out today. So guys, we're going to try about 4 variety of different flavors. And then we'll let you know how it tastes and grade it from there. So guys, please stay tuned and please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We love you. There.
So shall I get ready?
Yeah.
Alright, later guys.
Alright peeps, so we just are turning in a Starbucks. How if them have drive-thru? Them not a drive-thru please.
A Wendy's. A Wendy's that you have to make a parking.
Can't bother you know, I never want to go in a store. No. While I can't bother to TV please. While I can't bother, but anyways, find a parking spot. Turn off the music them, I don't want to copyright to the music, the people. So let's say that. Say same over here.
Nick, the one parking that over there, so.
So one them pass it. I just couldn't.
My neck hurt me. Jesus, my neck. That's how far we are come. Make a bad turn a while ago. My neck.
Alright peeps, so I'm not gonna bring the camera in there, so we come out back and show you what we get.
Yes guys, so here we have it. We're going to Starbucks, so we get 4 different flavors. So we have grand strawberry panga nut. I think this is the panga nut one. And we have Java chips.
I think this is the Java chips.
And these are the Java chips.
Yeah, I think these are the Java.
No babes, me
chips.
want that one here.
These are the Java.
That one here have a buzz.
No, that one here my one.
So we are no.
No, you take the blend. You take the something. You take the blend. You take the one with ice. This are your
both have to share. One take one of one and one take one.
This one is what?
I don't know. This one is which one?
The thing now.
And we have ice honey nuts mocha.
Ice honey nut. That one there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we have ice what choco mocha.
Yo, your pronunciation them bad. Choco moco.
Which part choco moco depend that?
So, hey, I'm not trying to kill myself either. Anyways, so these are they.
Guys, I can't wait for taste this. I can't wait for taste this.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so
them have to sweat me and drink and give them the heads up and everything.
Start it right now?
Yeah. Right there, so I'm not going away.
Really
right there, so me start it. So guys, let me see which one I'm gonna start off with. I'm gonna start off with strawberry panga nut.
So start off with that one. That one again. Yo, I don't even know that one I do.
Let's start off with this. And guys, so fortunate when you go in there, the people them will serve with them. Honestly, them nice. They'll get our name from the cup. So, and guys, what you use for the panny babes? Whipped cream, I'm a love.
So, I don't have taste.
Imagine.
Starbucks. My first time, virginity broke, you know. Wow. Wow. Taste good. Taste is me.
Panga nut them just come up in my mouth.
Taste. This bad.
Taste this.
Man. But Starbucks man. It's epic people, yeah, it's epic.
My God.
Epic.
This is a treat. And you only thank you.
Thank you, I never even pay for them.
And Joan.
Joan is rich. Alright, so guys, me not like.
Nah, this is something else.
One, yeah.
That I think the one the way I drink.
This are
the
Java chip frap. I don't know, frappuccino them call it, I think. It's bad, man. The mother road.
Yes, sir. You better not taste and taste. One taste mine, man, and me one taste, sir.
I know.
You want?
You know what I'm saying? The one here mine. But that one is not supposed to. That one is not in the ice.
My urine.
We blend them and with the ice here. Get the flavor. More so. Good data flavor is. But the Java one, like the whipped cream, I can taste
Alright.
the chocolate and everything in mine. My one just have a chocolate coffee taste to it. Kind of a mild.
Alright, for me, guys, my strawberry panganut, well, it's nice. And I love panganut, yes, but it not really give me the flip there what me I look for. Like when I taste the Java, yeah, the Java chips taste very good more than the strawberry one. So me that give my one a 6.
Well, me don't give my one a 9. Mine they taste good, but I like. Which one? This a here one?
Yeah, I want the ice onion nuts.
Ice onion nuts. Alright, peeps.
I want the grand ice.
These are the ice onion.
Choco
Let's see what I
mocha.
want to taste. Look like it tastes
Chocolate
good
mocha
still,
or
nah,
choco
like.
mocha or wait one name. Anything with one name. Here we have it.
Well, I want to hit me a while ago. I want to hit me
This
so much.
Alpha Buzz is my drink.
It's have too much flavor.
Guys,
Full
the
of
coffee
flavor.
turn up in my own. I'm gonna say coffee turn up. Tonight, I not even can sleep. I gotta pay Whip Up Power Ranger tonight.
Yeah, you got that right.
Yeah. Alright, you know this the coffee turn right up. That's when I feel like I can't go no more. I swear. Not like that.
But-
That's fresh.
Yo, them flavor are different, so. Mama.
The honey nuts. The fault I'm find about the honey nuts. You know have no
wanna-
whole heap of,
Bad.
it's fresh.
I want to really bad. I really hear something that is bad for real. The only nut because it have ice in it, that's why. Stop on a hole and you can come check out Starbucks, guys. You see me? They have much location in Kingston. How much location them have, babes? Think about 4. I don't know. I know about one at Ligan. I know about that one here, right here. So, what road your name again?
Hope Road.
Hope Road. I know say them have one in Knutsford Boulevard. Pan Knutsford Boulevard.
New
That's
Kingston.
a New Kingston, yeah. I
Babes,
don't know about that. I don't know about
I
that.
think I will I think I want a pizza in New Kingston.
Pizza. Why pizza? Why not?
That is what more of me did because pizza out of the best pizza ever because it have more
Alright,
cheese.
guys. So listen, we're gonna head out from Starbucks. And we're gonna pizza out. Go buy some
So
pizza.
stay tuned.
So stay tuned.
So we know we didn't know so we got pizza out, guys, but why we reach a pizza out? Lord Jesus. You know what? So the lights up here say bomba me a pink pen and I say, well, we can't eat now because I know we're tired of Kentucky, we're tired of this out there. But guys, I tell you something, I have to stop at Kentucky and eat 2 birds. Alright now from in the car me I eat this cause me I tell you something, I'm hungry. Oh. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel. You know when you see me and Rush, you know say we always come with World Cup and a thing. So Peace. We are out.